the removal of this fucking bird.
Before removing the subframe, you must first remove the bird bushing. The bird bushing's located between the bottom of this axle housing and the frame. Easy removal. Leg is usually where I like to grab it from. Just
wow, Brian, it looks like it's a little tight in there. That little fucking bird.
All right.
Is that a leg? That is fucking awesome. We could have had a drumstick.
save that one for later.
Is that the other leg? Was that the other leg?
Damn it.
Fucking awesome.
Damn it, Bobby.
Damn it, Bobby.
I wanted to get this whole fucking thing in one piece. Damn it.
What if I spin it while you're trying to pull it out? Sometimes a little persuasion is all you need.
Oh fuck, his body just broke.
Oh shit, you just put the big old hole on it. Oh, sexy time. So what kind of bird was that? Holy shit, was that a seagull?
This is a part of the vehicle.
It's a bird bushing what controls the fucking the bouncing on the side.
Look at that leg.
That's sexy right there.
Put it on a necklace.
Huh?